Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am making a cucumber apple salsa. It has a delicious taste. This salsa can be eaten just like a salad. To make cucumber apple salsa, I have taken one medium size cucumber from my garden and half of the medium size apple. You can add the full apple or you can just skip the apple just to make with cucumber. I also have some finely chopped onion, one large jalapeno finely chopped, some cilantro finely chopped and some lemon. Let us combine everything in a bowl. Add apple, cucumber, finely chopped onion, jalapenos, cilantro, mix them well. It alkalizes your body and gives plenty of antioxidants. It reduces your blood pressure and relieves you from your constipation. It is full of fiber which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Add some pink Himalayan salt and squeeze the lemon. This salsa can be eaten as a salad or it can be eaten with chips or use this as a taco filling, or it can also be a filling for your wraps. How do you like to use this salsa? Do you have any other ideas to enjoy this salsa? Let me know in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and comment on my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page.